We're here at Demesmin and Dover Law Firm with Chris Dallagrand and Simon Abramovich about workers' comp and what happens when clocking in may come with consequences. I think workers' comp, you guys, is something that you cannot talk more enough of. So thank you for having us.
Oh, it's our pleasure to be here.
Absolutely.
First question for you guys is, workers' comp, we feel like it's supposed to have our back, it's supposed to protect us, but a lot of employees feel like it's a trap. Why is it so difficult to navigate?
I think it's difficult to navigate because workers' compensation here in Florida has a lot of potential traps. And one of the things that should be most cognizant about is that you have to report the accident within 30 days of the actual date of its occurrence. If you don't report the accident within 30 days, it could be used as defense and a potential denial of your claim. So one of the many potential things to avoid is to make sure that that accident is reported within 30 days. So the law is there for you. The law is there to pay for 100% of your medical care and treatment as long as it's related to an accident within the course and scope of employment. And the law is there for you to pay for your lost wages as a result of the work-related accident. So the traps that exist in workers' compensation were the attorneys to make sure that you don't fall into any of those potential traps and get the medical benefits and the lost wage benefits that you deserve.
Can you guys give me an example of a time when an employer tried to avoid, accountability with this, but you guys turned that case around?
We had a client just come in recently this past week. Unfortunately, the top of his finger was cut off at work, and his employer told him when going to the hospital, don't say you got injured at work. They said so you got injured in a car accident or somewhere else. So what happened is we filed our petition for benefits, and we made sure the employer was aware that it was our time to step on the case.
That's awesome. Where can we get more information? I know there's so many people out there that go through different accidents that happen at work, and they are afraid to speak up. Where can we get help?
Well, certainly here at Demesmin in Dover, we encourage you to call us at Demesmin in Dover at 866-954-6673. We will be happy to tend to your calls. Also at Demesmin in Dover, when you call, you will speak to an attorney from the first call. Either myself or Chris, we look forward to your calls to navigate your workers' compensation claim to a successful conclusion.
Yeah, such a great topic, guys. Thank you so much.